Well, it's just me and Tay again because Ben took the day off because he's weak. No, he worked Saturday, did a reno with Nathan Lawns, NJS Lawns, I think. And we're gonna do a full lawn reno on my lawn today and tomorrow. Ben should join us for the easy part today. Let's get into it. Let's do it. I did scalp this back about 3 or 4 weeks ago. Might have been 3 weeks ago. And that's why we're not going as low today, but we're still going as low as we can on this big bob, so. It's good. Like, that's the lowest setting on the big bob.
Is it really?
Yeah, like I said, that's what I did last time, then I had to use the rover to get down lower. Look at that, mate. Time to call this bad boy. Hopefully the ground is soft enough to call. Hopefully. Because it might be bouncy.
Come on, Josh, we don't have all day.
Thanks, Ecoscape Lawns and Gardens, for letting us borrow this big dog. Legends.
Yeah, thanks. Some went nice and deep and other parts did not. So I went over this part about 3 times. Still didn't go very deep though. So ideally, water your lawn 2 to 3 days beforehand in a really deep water, so over an hour, which I didn't do. So I should listen to myself next time. Oi, hey brother, you're dusty. Nice moustache. Thanks.
Yeah, well, that was as hard as a rock, wasn't it? Wasn't that hard, was it? Yeah, next time I need to water it. Got to fix 2 sprinklers too. Let's go do that. Hardest parts are done.
Now Ben gets to come for the easy part.
Might have to turn it on. Have to flush it out.
Oh, is that poo? Or, there actually was poo here.
That's cool, mate. Righto, you might get smashed with water here.
Turd.
It might be in the one higher. Oh, is it flushing?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, yep. Did that pop something out then?
Yep.
Rattle.
That's off,
What's the magic? Yes. Trying to hold the camera straight, dude. That's one down, boys. Oh, yeah. No. In my face. Rattle. Let's turn them on.
Oh, well done.
Oh, does that taste good? Are you thirsty? Yeah. Watch out. Carbide pressurise. Is there a leak somewhere? Oh, please don't tell me we've hit a flipping pipe. We've hit a pipe. Just there? Yeah. Oh no. Boys and girls, we've hit a pipe.
Irrigation thing.
Oh yeah.
Well done, Josh.
I have no parts either.
We're going to have to do that tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Look, Taylor's a bit dusty here.
Just a bit dusty.
Am I as bad?
I need a shower. I'll see you when I'm cleaner.
Right, we're back and I'm here as well. So we're about to do some top dressing. The boys have smashed through everything.
But we're doing some chaffing here, so they've got some bare areas where the sprinkler got hit. So what we're doing is getting some of these clippings from the scarifyings. Can use this almost like seed, well it is basically like seed, and spread it in areas now. This is chaffing, not scarifying, because we're not actually planting the runners. We're planting the clippings we got from scarifying. So super simple process, and just make sure you keep the water up to it. So at least, I'd say at least 1 to 2 times a day, or just enough to keep the moisture in there so they can take root and actually root down in there. Just like when you're propagating the plant, you need to keep the water up to it so it starts to actually shoot those white fibrous roots out. So just while the boys are at the back top dressing just right now, so the sand we used is like a washed river sand or a washed pit sand. You can get yourself a 90-10, 90-20 when you're looking for your sand. Just go to your local landscape place and ask them either what the local golf course is using or what they have for top dressing sand there. Make sure it's washed too, it's got no weed seeds. That's the best way to find your sand. A question we get in the emails a lot. Now, if you can do this by hand, you just need to flick it out with a shovel. I'm sure you guys will do it in a second. But Taylor's also following along with the lawn level and just leveling out all the sections on the ground. Just so that it drops down nice and deep down to the core holes. We're using about a cube of soil per 100 square meters, which gives us that 10 mil of thickness, enough to fill up the core holes and level out bad areas too. So you can see Taylor's going around here, the lawn level. Super simple. These you can get on my website. Australian made things too, they are solid as. You just push it around, super simple, and level out your lawn. Look at that, smashing through it. Plant that foot. See, if you don't have a top dresser, you can do this by hand, and it'll probably take one bloke to do, this is about 300 square meters, probably an hour, so it's not too bad. It's not too bad once you get into it and get stuck into it, but yeah, super simple process. It's just gonna make a world of difference too. Obviously having the sand there in the core holes will help with drainage. Also the sand helps with levels, doesn't break down over time. And Cooch loves it, man. You put it in some sand, actually helps it creep into those bare areas a lot because you've got some loose soil there too. So lots of benefits using sand. And you can use, as I said, like a 90-10, 80-20. Those have a little bit of organics in there too. 80% of that sand, 20% like organics. So it depends which way you want to go, but straight sand, washed sand, definitely a good way to go. Help with your levels and just help that lawn repair nicely. That is a job well done. Top dress rubbed in nicely. That sand is the go. Look at this. Now obviously we left the leaf a little bit longer this time around because Josh did do a scalp like a month ago. So he got most of the top growth out. Did it with his cylinder mower and with the big bob too. So it looks like there's like not as much sand as there is because we did that not quite as deep a scalp. But it's looking good, mate. So next step really is just to get some fert out to get this thing going. So we use some Dominate today because Dominate's good because of the high nitrogen, so it'll keep things just growing and getting this coming back super quick. All right, so putting the Dominate out, we're going to go at 3 kilos per 100 square metre top rate. So about 10 kilos on this whole area. It's about 360 square. 360, about that. Wow. Estimated guess.
I'm really good at measuring with my eyes.
Oh, show us. So strong. Don't spill it. Let's go.
That's about half a bag, isn't it?
All over it, mate. Wow. Do you practice?
Nope.
Oh yeah, it's a bit soft there. So while Josh is putting that out, let's just talk about a bit of aftercare. So obviously once you put your fert out, make sure you water it in, just so you get it down into the soil. Give it a good like 10 mil of irrigation. Give it a proper watering cycle just so it gets diluted down there nicely. Now this should give it a really good flush of growth of that 28% nitrogen. Still a controlled release, so it will feed over the next 8 to 10 weeks. A little bit longer if it's a little bit cooler. But this should really bring it back nicely and get it popping nicely. Now when it comes to renos and you've got sand out, make sure you water your lawn a little bit more regularly, just because you've got sand there and it does tend to bake a little bit more. So water it once every day for the first couple of days, and you back it off to once a fort, once every 2 days. You just farted, didn't you? Yeah, filthy dog. No, it's disgusting.
It would have been loud if I heard it from over here.
Yeah, but yeah, with your watering, after a couple of days, back it off to once every 2 days, and just adjust to how your weather is and how your lawn's looking. But only about a week to a week and a half in, you can go back to a pretty normal watering schedule.
Thanks guys for watching this week. We'll keep you updated on it. Hopefully we get to do mine soon.
No, we won't do it.
Oh,
We'll leave you hanging. Oh, Josh coming. Anyway, thanks for tuning in.
catch you next week.
Bye. See you lads. Oh, okay.